Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to AWS Training. So I think you guys are already done custom networks, right? Custom public, custom private. So one question to everyone. So in custom private network, public IP available or not? No. Even if it is available also, there is no internet gateway routing, right? There is no internet gateway routing. So it will not allow the request from the public. Okay. Then in the real time, I'm mentioning in the real time, we are not enabling the public IPs. Then how they are going to, means public, how they are going to access the application? Anyone? Anyone? Online, am I audible? Why so silence? Monday effect, na? Sleeping effect. Don't do that, guys, please, for two months only. Okay. So how they are going to access? This is my question. Through HTTP, HTTPS. Very good. So HTTP, HTTPS, the request will come to where? Public IP only, right? Okay. So NAT gateway. Think it, guys. How we are going to access without public IP? No one. For 50 persons are there in the online. For this, everyone ask. Change group chat to everyone. Okay, I have changed. NAT gateway with VPN. Guys, you tell me one thing. Are you going to give access for VPN for everyone? Public? I'm accessing Flipkart. Did anyone give to me VPN access? Somebody is dancing there, please. Huh? Okay. Very good, Ravi Kumar. Elastic load balancer. We already discussed, right? We're giving access to ELB URL only, not for instances. If it is in the real time, we are not going to host one server, right? Multiple server, we are going to host the applications. When I say multiple servers, to give the high availability. If multiple servers are there, different IPs will be there, right? So how public is going to access different public IPs? Sorry, different IPs for same application? That is only possible for ELB. Okay, we'll discuss. So no instances. Okay. Yes, no one has doubt on public private, right? So let me check this instance, how it will work. Before that, VPCs. Okay, custom VPC also there. Subnets. Okay, two subnets are there, private and public. So I'm going to check route table now. And before that, internet gateway for public. Okay, internet gateway attached to my VPC and route tables. My custom public route table. Let me check internet gateway routing is attached here and public subnet also selected here. So my internet is coming here and private route table. So my private route table route from where to where, guys? Where to where? Route. When I say route table, how many routings are there? Each route table. Two routings. From where to where? Okay. Very good. What about public? Online. You are not going to respond here? Then I'm not going to ask any questions. Okay. So I just want to delete here. Okay. Subnet associations. I'll just remove here. Okay. So now there is no NAT gateway, right? So I'll just go to public EC2 instance. Okay. I'm going to connect. Okay. So I have connected. How to connect private now? Hmm? What is the batch host process now? I have already uploaded key, right? See, my key is here. chmod 400. Okay. Is it clear? Just give tab only. Okay. Next. What is the command? Pinga. I haven't connected my private SSH minus high. Okay. EC2 user. EC2 at the rate. EC2 user at the rate. Private IP, right? Will it work? Okay. Where is my private IP? I think upload key and ch mode. Okay. So connect SSH client. This is the thing. So 10.0253, right? 10. Sorry. So dot 53. So let me check second instance SSH. Wrong IP I have given. Wrong IP now. Okay, let me check. Private. Go to connect. 253. Oh, sorry. I have given only 53, right? Sorry. Okay, connected. So this is a bash host process. Now, if I'm going to access an internet, so let's suppose m install httpd -y sudo, yes, -y. It's working. Why? It's working. Why? It's working, right? It's not working, guys. See, 0 bytes. The request, the request is going, but there is no internet, right? So I'm doing just quit. Okay, error. There is no internet, right? Otherwise, ping google.com. See, I'm not getting internet. So what I'm going to do now? Create NAT gateway and connect to private instance. Clear, everyone? So to connect Bastion host, NAT gateway is required or not? This is my question. Who is this new person? Not very good. Answer is right, but I'm seeing first time your name. No, Rohit. I mean, Rohit, yes. No is correct. Sai Krishna, yes. S is not correct. Can't connect. Guys, am I able to connect or not private instance? Connected, right? Did I attach NAT gateway? No. So NAT gateway is not for Bastion host. NAT gateway is only for internet required. If private instance internet is required only, NAT gateway is required. Is it clear, everyone now? So don't make you confused. If without NAT gateway, the Bastion host will not work. It is not like that. NAT gateway is only for take the internet, the required instance. But Bastion host is for SSH 20 to connect only. That is, internet is not required. Why internet is not required? Anyone? Anyone? Any intelligent here? For connect Bastion host, NAT gateway is not required. We are able to connect SSH 22, but we are unable to access internet by using Bastion host. The reason is there is no NAT gateway, but I'm able to connect. Why? Anyone? No. Anyone? For connecting Bastion host, NAT gateway is not required. For internet only is required. That's fine. Very good. We are in the same network. Why internet is required? Is it clear, everyone? Why internet will required? The request will come from outside of the network. We're in the same network. You are the intelligent guy. Bastion host act as a public. Yes, the first instance act as a public. Okay, that is okay. But private instance, there is no internet. How they are going to access? The both are in the same network by using private IP. But when we are going to access private IP, the both are in the same network, right? Inside network you are going to access, we are using private IP. If people are come from outside to access your instance, which IP will work? Public IP. I'm not going to host public IP here, right? I'm going to give the command in the private IP. Both are in the same network, same VPC. Clear now? Okay. So now what I'm going to do, guys, you just tell me, I'll just follow the steps. Okay. I'm going to now attach NAT gateway, right? NAT gateway, right? So, sorry, NAT gateway. So what I'm going to do now, tell me, what is the first step? I need internet for my private instance. What is the first step? Everything is done in my end, right? VPCs, everything is done. I'll just go to VPCs. What is the first step? Very good. Yala. Create route tables and everything is ready, right? In which NAT gateway, which gateway is going to create? NAT gateway. Okay. Create NAT gateway. So give any name. Just NAT. Coming classes are very, very important. So which subnet I'm going to select here? Public. Why? If it is private, no internet will come to NAT gateway. Then no use for NAT gateway. Clear, everyone? Okay. So allocate elastic IP. I have a one time already allocated. So same IP I'm going to use. We can discuss what is allocate IP, elastic IP. Don't worry. So create a NAT gateway. So my NAT gateway is created where, guys? Public subnet. So what I'm going to do now? Connections from where to where? Yes, Ravi Kumar, you are correct. So we should do two routings now. Two routings. What are those? NAT gateway to NAT to private RT. Clear? NAT to private RT. So I'll just go to route tables, which this is my private route table. So edit routes, add route, NAT gateway. Click on that. Which one? Custom NAT gateway. Here. Here the question is now again. So your VPC CIDR is there, right? Instead of allowing all, can I give VPC CIDR here? Getting what I'm saying here? See, here we should select CIDR. Okay. So if I give 0000, everyone can access. If you can see in the top 10.0.0.0.16 is what? This is what? We have a VPC CIDR range. So if I can give them my VPC CIDR range, it will work for only inside VPC people who are using CIDR, no for outside people. Anyway, I'm going to give 0. Maybe you confuse. Save changes. In the NACL and security groups, I'm going to discuss more about that. Subnet association. What I'm going to do here now? Edit subnet association. Which I need to select? Private. The reason is a private network. Public already you guys done, right? So done, right? Like check now. I'm getting response, right? So I'm going to quit. So up arrow sudo administrator http-y. This time I'm able to success. I'm going to install anything, right? Clear, everyone? So now two things done. I'm able to access internet. At the same time, I'm not going to give access for public. Two are done or not? In the real time, you are working same thing only. Okay. So if people is want to access your server, means access is means to write any code, to write, update something, they're unable to do. The reason is there is no public IP to connect to do modifications, right? So they should come through bastion host. So bastion host, we are not going to expose to everyone. I mean, public is there, but if they want to connect, they should come and pass the key and they will connect. So public don't know which key we are using, right? So bastion host key, everything is with us. Clear now? So public side, private side, both are done. Clear? Okay. Now my question is, so in real time, we are going to host applications. Till now, we just sample application we have hosted, hello world something, right? In the real time, we are going to host those applications into private instance. How public is going to access private instances? How public is going to access private instance? Hmm? How public is going to access private instance? My question is, okay, private instances. Okay, two instances inside same application. So for example, test application. Here also same test, right? Test applications. So bash host is for not public, right? Bash is for internal purpose only. Developers to connect your server, they are using bash process, but public is not going to connect bash host. They are not going to write anything, right? They just access your application. So the bash host is for internal purpose only. Okay. So by using bash host, they have updated some applications inside private servers. Private servers. Okay. Now public is going to access, right? Now public, they should access these applications. How they are going to access? So test, how they're going to access? If someone has our private IP, can they connect to our subnet, right? Private IP is only fine. Who will give that key? PEM file. To authenticate your server, key will require, right? If you give your internet access, internet banking key to everyone can access, right? So you and others, the barrier is key. In internet banking also, whatever. In your mobile also, laptop also, everything is related to security by using protection, like by using key, whatever. If you're going to give the key to others, definitely they can access. So key is very important. So now tell me guys, how public is going to access these applications? How? This is for internal circuit, guys. Don't worry. This is for internal purpose only. Internal bash host something. This is for internal. Okay. Internal. So what I'm trying to say here now, okay, I have implemented one applications. Why two servers here? Anyone? Why two servers required here? Hmm? Why two servers, same application? Backup. Okay. Is it another term? What is this is called here? If I'm going to host same application, different servers, load balancer. What are the dependencies are there for load balancer? What load balancer will do? What is RMF? I think I say MRF or RMF something. What is R there? What is M? What is F? Okay. Magnetic field. Heavy. Very good. Abhinandan. Redundancy. Okay. Different same applications. If you're going to if you're going to host different server, will get redundancy. Why redundancy here? If one server will fail, we'll get response from other server, right? So that is who will take care? Who will take care? AWS. Very good, Tulsiram. Load balancer. Okay. So in between you and network, there is a device load balancer. Okay. Now I'm going to access ELB. ELB is taking care of your request to send available server. I mean, available application inside server. Is it clear, right? We already discussed, right? Here load balancer. Okay, NAT gateway part done, guys. NAT gateway done. Don't confuse, huh? This is topic is for load balancer. Okay. So now we are going to write few points here. ELB. What is ELB? Elastic load balancer. Okay. What is the definition? Simple definition for elastic load balancer. ELB is redirects client request to available application inside server. Means here ELB is going to help us, right? Okay. Very important point in AWS ELB is region specific. Region specific. So keep this point in your mind. Very important. ELB is a region specific. So means, will I get, concentrate guys, concentrate. What? NI, what is your question? Okay. So what we are doing exactly today. So the NAT gateway part we have already done. NAT gateway is for to access internet for your private instance. Now we are clear. So in the internal point of view, developers will write the application, right? Developers to develop the application. How they are connect private instance? By using bastion host. They will connect by using bastion host here. By using bastion host, they will connect and do something here. Okay, we have implemented one applications. We have done. How they are going to give access to public? By using load balancer, right? If public want to access your application, your server, we have two options. Public IP can give. We are already install application and give public IP to everyone, they can access. But public we are not supposed to enable in the real time. Public IP you are not supposed to enable in the real time. This is the process we can follow. Then public IP is not enable for your server. How public is going to access your inside server application, right? By using load balancer, right? So by using bastion host, I have implemented two applications. What is bastion host? Bastion host is nothing but connect from public instance. Okay. Connect from public instance. We are going to access private servers, private instances. Inside, they are going to develop some test applications. This is done. Then how we are going to give these test applications to public, right? So two different servers are there. Let's suppose there is no ELB. How they are going to access? They should access public IP. Again, question here. Two servers, same IP will be there, different IP will be there. Different IP will be there means different IP will be there means different domain names, right? We already discussed the topic, right? Different domain names, is it good? First domain name is for redirecting your request to first server. That domain name you can consider test1. If it will not work, the same domain name will work for second server? No, IP will different. So definitely we should reconfigure this server into DNS test2.com or test3.com. If test1 will not work, definitely client will access to test2.com. In this such a way that if I have a 50 servers, 50 domain names will be there. 10 servers will not work. They should hit remaining domain names. So each server, one domain name will come, but it is not a good practice, right? We need only one unique name. That unique name will manage available applications into available servers. That's it. If it is a one, if it is 100 servers, it's not my headache. Okay. So for that, we are using load balance. So the target 10, if it is a 50 servers also, there is no issue. Load balance is take your request and redirecting your request to 50 servers. 50 servers, same applications or different applications? Same applications. How can I get high availability different applications? I'm talking about only one application if it is a test or Flipkart. Okay. So if it is a target and 50 applications running in 50 servers, sir, can't we access 50 applications same server? What is the use? Same applications, you are maintaining same server. What is the use? If one server is going to fail, all applications is going to down, right? Even though applications are same. So we should maintain one application, one server, other server, other server. The reason is high availability. Server high availability, application high availability. That is very important in the cloud, right? So if I'm going to host different application, same application, different server, then who will take your request and redirecting into the server? That is load balance. This is very high level I'm trying to say. Okay. Clear? Okay. What are the maximum servers we can connect with the ELB? You can connect multiple servers, n number of servers. Okay, n number of servers. So now I'll just writing the points here so that we can understand. Now, can anyone please tell me any points here regarding ELB? Hmm? Anyone? Map server, map serve IPs to ELB. That is redirect your client request to available application inside server. Next. Very good. No, Sujit. That is wrong. ELB can connect to multiple servers, but same application. Okay. Next, high availability we have discussed, right? High availability we have discussed, right? What are the points we discuss in the high availability? What are the dependencies in the high availability? 3 points we discuss. What are those? In your previous classes, the basics level, what is high availability we have discussed. On those points, we have written 3 points. Majorly depends on the high availability. What are those? What are those? What is high availability? What are the points in high availability we discuss? Anyone? Performance? No. Scalability. Very good. The scalability is taking care of auto scaling. That is okay. Next. The server available in 24/7 without any breakdown. Yes, Jitesh, you are right. How we can make server available for 24/7? Huh? What are the points we discuss? What is failure routing? Failover. Failover. Who will monitor your servers? Horizontal increment. Very good. That is comes under auto scaling. Yes. Providing redundancy. Very good. Okay. I should discuss again. Yes, three different stories coming. Okay. High availability. High availability. First, we should discuss this point. Very important topic. Please concentrate. Okay. High availability. High availability mainly depends on three factors. Three factors. Three factors. One is redundancy. Second is monitoring. Third is failure routing. Okay, failure routing. Very important these are. Redundancy. You will get clarity, guys. Don't worry. Okay, three factors. So now I'm going to talk about this is my network. Okay, this is my network. So let's suppose this is my laptop. So I need now Flipkart application in one server. Who will develop this one? Flipkart applications, for example, developers, right? Developers. How they're going to connect servers? By using bash host in this case. So now, will we get high available for one server? We should maintain a multiple server. The reason is we already discussed in the performance issue, right? This server may be 128 GB RAM. Let's suppose I'm saying only RAM, 2 CPUs, 100 GB hard disk. Let's suppose no 1 TB hard disk, HD. Okay. Okay. So here client requests are 100, for example, or 50 requests. 50 means 50 laptops, right? Everyone who are going to access Flipkart, Amazon, right? So each account is a one request, let's suppose. So my requests are going to access Flipkart. Okay. This time your server performance increase or reduce? Reduce. The reason is you are consume some RAM. You consume some CPUs. Performance RAM means server performance will reduce. If it is a requests are increasing, keep on for 100. What will happen next? Server down, right or not? So to overcome that issue, what is the option we have? We can increase auto scaling. By using auto scaling, horizontal scaling, we can add one more server, the same application, right? Same application, right? Flipkart. So to maintain different servers, same application is called redundancy. Okay. To maintain same application in different server is called redundancy. Redundancy. Okay. Okay. How we can achieve redundancy? Very good. Auto scaling. So these are the factors depends on high availability. Okay, we should have understand. Next. Okay, you have hosted two servers, same application. So now the point is two servers instead of one server. If one server, okay, maybe you can give the access directly by using your domain name. So domain name is one-to-one map. Very important point. You can understand the route 53. We cannot routing same domain name, different IPs. If it is a possible, load balance is not required, right? For example, my domain name is 1. If I'm able to configure my one domain name to 50 servers, the same application, load balance is not required, right? If one server is not working, same domain name, it will redirect a request to other server. But the here drawback is, not drawback, it's a good thing is, one server, one IP is there. I mean, IP is a unique identifier. IP is a unique identifier. If I configure my domain name with my IP, I'm able to configure only one IP, one domain name. But here second server also will come, right? Second server IP cannot configure with the same domain name. Here domain name should change. So in the first server, maybe flipkart.com. But second server, the first server will not work. Client will hit to, okay, so first server is not working. Maybe the same application will run in the second server also. Already client discussed with me. Okay, I'll hit to second server. But second server will not work for flipkart.com, right? Definitely it will work from different domain name. The reason is different IP. Maybe flipkart2.com. Okay. Second server also will not work. Maybe he will set to third server. How many servers you are going to hit like that? In the real time, it's not 1, 2, 3, like hundreds of servers will run. Billions of people are going to access your Flipkart. 2, 3, 4, 500 servers you will not support. So thousands of servers. Then who will take your request and redirecting your applications? Load balancer. Okay. So load balancer is coming to the picture here. So take your request and redirecting it to the different server. Is it clear, everyone? Everyone? Now, second point. Okay, my applications are running by help of load balancer. My request is redirecting into the servers. Now, who will monitor these servers? Who will monitor this application? Not servers. Load balancer is monitoring applications, not servers. So my load balancer is, you can understand very clearly in the lab itself. Okay. My load balancer is redirecting your request to different servers inside the applications. Now, who will monitor this is up and running or not? Someone should monitor, right? Someone should monitor If is there any issue in the server, the request is not redirecting to that server. It's not working, right? If it is redirecting into the faulty server, you will get what response? You will get what response? Faulty server, if load balancer is redirecting your request to faulty server, what issue you will get? Are you able to access your Flipkart? No, you will get very good server down, so hell, or error, server busy, everything we will face. So what load balancer will do here? Then it should not redirect traffic to faulty servers, right? It's always redirecting your request to healthy servers. Then in that case, definitely load balancer is monitoring for your servers and applications, right or not? So monitoring is required or not here? If there is no monitoring, by chance, your ELB is redirecting your request to not working server. There is no high availability, right? You won't get response from the Flipkart page. So if you are just open your Flipkart here, you are getting response, right? So means my ELB, definitely the backend ELB will work in the Flipkart also. My ELB is redirecting my request to working server only. Means it's monitoring all servers, all applications in my target and which I was configure, right or not? Okay. So if it is not work, my application may down here. So definitely my request ELB won't send to this server. The reason it's not working, something issue is there in that. Until fix the developers, ELB will not send the traffic to this server. So how ELB is going to monitor? By using status checks. Okay, status checks. Okay. So we'll write few more points again. So now you just add me 2 points, any 2 points. ELB, what ELB will do? Sorry? ELB, anyone. Just we discuss 5-10 minutes content, right? From that, you just give me 2-3 points or 1-2 point, whatever. Very good, Abhilash. It's monitoring of application, not server, inside server. Okay. Are you agree, guys, with this point, everyone? Yes. Okay. Any point next? Very good, Ashwin. So it will redirect to the healthy servers only, right or not? So ELBs keep on monitoring your applications. If it is 100 servers are there, if any issue, application will not get any issue, right? Application inside there is no perform, application inside there is no RAM, application inside there is no CPUs, application host in server. If issue will come from the server only, not application, right? Application is some content only. Until someone delete something inside application, will not face any issues, right? If some application is there, right, guys, right? This is applications, for example, right? If it will work today, definitely it will work for tomorrow also, right? Until do some changes. If no one is doing any changes, definitely keep on working this application. There is no issues will come. But issues will come where? Servers. Maybe the different requests. So application there in the server. If the server will down, definitely application will down or not? Right or not? What I'm trying to say, you just focus. If anyone asks, what is the chances to down application? Don't say application will down. Maybe the reason something is happen. Nothing will happen inside application. Something will happen in your server. Server is a device. Server is a device. Definitely, when I'm talking device, will I get 100% high availability in the device? Any device? It's a rotating device. Fan is a rotating device. Will we get 100% availability? Sometimes it will not work. What is the static devices? Chair. Will you give assurance for 100% high availability for the chair? Based on the weight, it will not work. Mobiles. Everything. If I'm talking about one object, no one will provide assurance for 100% high availability. Right? Same here also. My application run where? Server. Server is a device. So many dependencies are there. What are the dependencies are there in the server? Electricity, ventilations, cleaning, security. So many things are there. If anything will wrong, definitely your application will down. So to avoid that, I maintain different servers. Again, point here, you should have understand. Sir, my two servers are running in one availability zone. 1A. What is availability zone here? 1A. What is availability zones? Is nothing but data centers. If entire 1A will down, what will happen? What will happen? Definitely your application will down, right? Right or not? So we should have create these servers, different servers in different availability zones. Is it clear, everyone now? Instead of creating servers into same availability zone, you should give preference for different availability zones. We have three, right? You can give 1A, 1B, 1C, 1B, 1C, 1A. We should target it into your load balancer. Clear now? Okay. We can, those will clear in real time. Don't worry, in the projects. I mean, in the lab. So now these 2 points are clear. Redundancy, monitor. Who will monitor your application? ELB. Next, failure routing. What is this? Just now we discussed. Once ELB start monitoring of your servers inside your applications, if this server may fail, immediately load balancer redirecting your request to this healthy server. This is failure routing. Okay. So here load balancer is taken care by three things. One is redundancy, monitor, failure routing. Redundancy will happen by using auto scaling. Don't confuse here. Auto scaling will create a different servers, but load balancer redirecting your request to different server. It's taking care of load balancer. Auto scaling is going to create 100 servers, but who will redirecting your request to 100 servers? That is ELB. So here, the only one thing ELB job is auto scaling is going to create a servers. ELBs take the response request from the clients and redirect your request to auto scaling created servers. Clear the clarity now? If someone will ask, load balancer is going to create servers or not? Is it right or not? Can I say load balancer create servers? No, this is very important. Load balancer will not create any servers. Who will create servers? Auto scaling. But will serve the request to created auto scaling servers. That is very important. Clear everyone now? Clarity? Anyone has any doubts? Sir, do we have a connect? Definitely. Without connect, how ELB will target into your auto scaling created servers? There will be a link. We can discuss, don't worry. So anyone has any doubts on load balancer? ELBs. So next point, anyone give? Will achieve high HCA, otherwise high availability, by using ELB. Are you agree with this? So if anyone asks what is high availability, technically we'll say high availability depends on three factors. Okay. One is redundancy, one is monitoring, one is failure. One application running inside a server, definitely we should monitor, right? Which server is working or not. If one server may fail, definitely we are not supposed to give the response, the request to the faulty server. In that case, we need a one more server. That server will create by auto scaling. Now auto scaling is created, for example, multiple servers. Then who will redirect your request? By using ELB. Now the case is one server is failed. Definitely ELB is not provide access to that faulty server. It's redirected to healthy server. Who will take care of ELB? So you can say this thing. High availability is nothing but 24/7, 9 to 10 p.m. Don't say that. Okay. Now we are the professionals. Sohel is ask big question. Sir, ELB will direct another server. If one server down, right, sir, but will you notify us the particular server is down out of the, if not, how? Yes. Now we are in the just ELB configurations, right? This point will come into the CloudWatch. Okay. So one server made down, the servers monitoring the dedicated service is there in the AWS, that is CloudWatch. We can configure into your mail IDs or your mobile numbers to know the update on your server runnings status. Is it clear, Sohel? Next. Yes, already Tulsiram given answer. Okay. This is ELB will do the job. Now, can I add any point? By using ELB, we can overcome failure issues, right or not? If one server fail, ELB will send your request to healthy server, right? Now, ELB is region or global? Now, very important point you guys are understand here. Will we achieve by using ELB region high availability? Region high availability. What is region high availability? What is availability zone high availability? These are very important points, guys. If you understand these points, you can play with the services in the AWS. I'm saying ELB is a region specific, right? So will it give the high availability for across region or not? This is my question. Yes or no? Region have multiple availability zones. Abhinandan. Yes. 100% it will work for high availability in availability zone specific. 1A, 1B, 1C. My question is, if my Mumbai went down, so by using ELB, will I get high availability? Means, will it redirecting my request to other regions or not? No. Then ELB will work only region specific. Then if the service is there, global specific, that service will serve region level high availability. The reason is, I will show you here. See, what is the structure for global region high, like availability zones? This is, let's suppose global. Inside, Under global, we have a regions, right? Right or not? Inside regions, availability zones. These are agents. Okay. Now you should have understand this is global. This is regional. This is availability zone, agents. Now you tell me, where is my load balancer situated here? Here, right? ELB. So ELB is here. Now ELB will works regional level. We're very clear, right? Okay. Now ELB will control regions or availability zones. Definitely under ELB, availability zones are there, right? Right or not? So ELB will control other regions also? No, right? Is already situated, already placed in one particular region. How it's going to connect next region? Is already placed in one region, right? You have selected ELB in AP South 1 Mumbai. It will control inside Mumbai. What will be there? Availability zones. Right or not? If you are in Hyderabad, you can access inside Hyderabad. But you cannot access Mumbai, right? Under Hyderabad, whatever sub-cities are there, you can cover it. But you can manage entire India level, you can manage all cities. That is what I'm trying to say. Here, ELB is not global, right? If ELB is global, ELB can control all regions. It's already situated in region. So under availability zones only, we can manage it. If it is here, or if it is here, if it is here. If 1A will fail, 1B, 1C. 1B will fail, 1A, 1C. Okay. Then ELB is already saying region level. So if Mumbai will fail, it is not redirecting your request to US. Is it clear, everyone? If my ELB is in place in global, definitely it will serve regions and availability zones. If you can see from the top, the global level, I can control regions, I can control availability zones. But I'm in middle region. I can control only availability zones only, right? Yes. So if I want region level high availability, definitely the service will support in global level. The service will call Route 53. Route 53. Sir, we will I think we discuss Route 53 is for only domain name service, right? Like DNS. So Route 53 is not only for DNS service, it will give high availability in the region level also. We can discuss, okay? Next, after this topic, we can jump onto the Route 53. It's an interlinked topic. Okay, you will get clarity in 1 week, guys. Everything will get in clarity now. ELB will clear. Okay. So we have written 6 points, but it's not fine. So by doing the lab, we just select few steps. From those steps, we can write few points also. Theory from lab, theory to lab, lab to from the theory. We can. Is it clear, everyone? Yes. If anyone has any doubts on this topic, no, right? Clear, right? What is ELB? At least we know that, right? Okay. Now, elastic load balancers are mainly 2 types. ELBs are mainly 2 types. Anyone knows? Anyone knows? One is application load balancer. Application load balancer. Next, network load balancer. So based on the usage, we can select this load balancer. But 99% we are using application load balancer. Okay. Okay, there may be a advantages with the application load balancer. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Next, application load balancer will support HTTP protocol, guys. It will work HTTP protocol. So network load balancer will work TCP protocol. High content data, we are using network load balancer. Clear? Different load balancers also there. Classic, gateway. We are not using it at all. We are using only this two. We should focus on this two only. Very easy lab. Very, very easy lab. Okay. So in ELB, first we should create targets. Okay. EC2 instance. Okay. In load balancing this session, we have two things, subtopics. Target groups, load balancer. Target groups is nothing but selection of servers comes under target group. Let's suppose in your system, in your account, 10 servers are running. Maybe 10 servers will run for different applications, right? 2 servers are running different application, 3 servers will run, depends on your hierarchy. So now you should target it. Which server comes under this target group? The target group we should configure into load balancer. Clear? What I'm trying to say here, paint. So you should have understand what is target group here. So this is client, right? So this is ELB, right? Without ELB, no application will run. Whatever website you are accessing, the backend ELB will work. Okay, now here, so in your account, 4 servers are running, but you should map it into this load balancer URL only 2 servers. So you should create a target and map it into for these 2 servers and configure into ELB. So your ELB will work for only these 2 servers, not for out of 4. In your account, 4 servers are there, but 4 servers are different applications it will run. We are not supposed to give all servers into this thing. If you can give, what happen? So it is a test application, means if it is a FB application, it is also FB application. So fb.com will work for fb.com. If you can hit, we will get response from fb.com only. The reason is I have targeted FB servers only. If you target here Insta also, what happened? If these 2 servers will not work, definitely you will get response from Insta. If you open FB, you will get response from Insta. If you can make it into target. The reason is load balancer don't know which application it will run, right? Load balancer will monitor only application run or not. It's not supposed to trace, is it really FB application? Load balancer will not understand, right? So whatever application you are just put into the target group, it will run. It will redirect it. If it is FB server, if you put into the target group, definitely you will get response from Insta if you can open FB. So you should target into correct servers, right? So this is called target group. Target groups. Okay. So target groups, we can create again multiple target groups. Okay. And each target group we can host many servers. Okay. So now point is, sir, one target group I can redirecting from the load balancer. Multiple target groups, what is the use? How we can do it? We can discuss. Don't worry. It's like a cluster. Ella. Gateway load balancer we are not using as. How many ELBs will be there specific to one region? You can create multiple, right? You can create multiple. Now the question to everyone, ELB is a server or service? Service. If it is a server, again the issue will come, right? ELB is a service, not server. Okay. So I'll just create one target group. Okay. How we can create the target group? This is the first step, create target group. So I should select where? Instances only, right? Inside target, instances will be there. Okay. Keep as is. Okay. Which protocol I should select? Based on your load balancer. If it is a network load balancer, which protocol I should select? TCP. If it is a application load balancer, only difference these two steps only. Okay. Nothing will be there. Okay. IPv4. Now, okay. Target group. These servers are which VPC? You should select custom VPC. Protocol version. You can give HTTP1, HTTP whatever. It's keep as is. Now, health check protocol HTTP. What is health check path? Your application path. What it is? Your application path? CD. Very good. Next. Index dot. So your path will be index.html. Right? Your application path is here only, right? Index.html. Your HTTP request by default, it is redirecting you to the Apache page. But your path, your application is here only, index.html. Right? So now what you can understand, your ELBs, once target got done to your ELB always monitor this path, right? So indirect ELB is monitoring your application only. Clear now? If here there is no path option there, so ELB will monitor server level, but you are giving path. So ELB will go the request inside server this path. Now in this case, I have different paths. You just mention the different paths where your application is there. For example, test folder you have created. Inside test folder, you have host this index.html. You can give test / index.html. Clear? Okay. Just create it. Target group I haven't given. TG1. You can give. So next, if you can see now, I'm able to see two servers. In my account, two servers are there running, right? Public and private. I should select which instance I can keep in this group based on your application. For example, two servers are running same application, you should select two. But no, this is different application running in this server. This is different. I should select this one only. So later you should select include as a pending below. You can see here. I have selected this server, it's a running condition. If you create a target group, I will show you one more time, don't worry, just for your reference. If you can see here in the dashboard, I have selected one target, right? One server, healthy, unhealthy, unused. I haven't used till now, right? I haven't used, just I have created target group. When it will be used? If I configure into load balancer. Load balancer is send your request to this server, then it's going to use condition until it is an unused condition. See here, unused condition. If I created my load balancer and map it into as a target, definitely it is a user condition. Will go into that. Clear, everyone? So for each and every target group, do we have to create a ELB? Yes. Each and every target. No. You can select different target groups also as per the path. So let's suppose my application is running in this path. Okay. Next application running in different path. Next application running in different path. Based on the path, you can give the direction to the target group. We can discuss, don't worry, in that level. Just today is the first class for target group, right? You just understand from the next step. Don't worry. I will discuss everything. This is for one target group. So I will just configure to application load balancer for this target group. We can test it. Our ELB is going to redirect your request or not. Then later, instead of one target group, we can do it to multiple target groups. How it will work. Okay. The same lab you guys can perform network load balancer. Only difference is target group selecting the protocol. That's it. Is it clear, everyone? So just go through all the things, steps, and what is available and everything. So from tomorrow, we can start lab on load balancer. Okay. For tomorrow, we can complete load balancer target for one target group. So day after, we can see this same lab for different target groups. Okay. Is it clear? Anyone has any doubts? So once load balancer done, we should focus on auto scaling. Okay. Okay. So I think Thursday we'll finish EC2 concepts. We'll jump to S3 bucket. Friday, I think Thursday, Friday, we'll finish it S3 bucket also. Okay. So coming services are 2-3 days only to finish. Only EC2 is a 1 month will take. Anyone has any doubts? Fine. Online? No doubts. Just go through this target group steps. Okay. Okay. Once you are free, just go through these target steps. Okay, guys, see you. So don't skip any class from now. Very, very important classes for this month. This month will very crucial. Okay. This is a real-time environment. If you get a job, whatever approach your friends suggest, whatever door you will go, if you want to survey in there, you should understand this 1 month class. This is very important. Which door you can use, I don't care. Okay. Your door will always open to everywhere. Once you survey, your door will close. Otherwise, again, door will open to come from there to out. So please concentrate. This month is very, very important. You will get DevOps idea also from this 1 month class. Okay. Anyway, see you guys. Bye. You just ping me if you have any doubts. Okay.